Sanibonani ekhaya egama lami MK and you are watching iLeadership Insight. Namhlanje I've got a community leader and also I've got a political activist bambiza ngoTafaya waseThokoza. Tafaya ugrand bra.
Shavu kunjani bhuti?
No ndimnani bra. Whoever that's watching ekhaya akazi ukuthi ukhuluma nobani, akazi ukuthi ubani. So bengicela ukuthi usinikeze some briefing nje ngawo ukuthi uTafaya ubani.
Hayi ngibonge bhuti wami. First ngiqala ngokubonga nje le opportunity ukuthi usibize sizelana sizoveza imibono yethu about ama communities wethu. We've been seeking for this opportunity for the longest time like us.
Danke bra.
So igama ngoVuyisa wakwaZitha ngihlala khona la eThokoza, ngizalelwe khona la eThokoza, ngakhulela khona la, so ngi product nje full product la eThokoza.
Okay, so basically what actually inspired you to becoming a leader in your community and also the political space?
So yeah, I think njengoba usho kanjalo as umuntu waseThokoza you don't need any inspiration ukuthi participate to community development or kuma community spaces, because if you can check history yaseThokoza kuyiyo ayimanga kahle and history yaseThokoza ngisho ukuthi amount to AGM because izimpi zaseThokoza zaqala ngo1990 up until 1993 whereby iThokoza was certified as the most dangerous place in the world, I understand. So it means bonke abantu bebehlala eThokoza abazali bethu particular they were affected by izimpi. Khona abanye bebelwa, khona bekuma political activist, but everyone nalo beketha kazingeni but was affected by izimpi. So mawuzalwele eThokoza you are bound ukuthi uparticipate entweni ezikanjalo.
Okay, no nyabonga Buddha. Can you actually share a defining moment that that helped bangaba shape leadership style yakho khona la kwi community?
Okay, njengoba uyisho kanjalo wena bhuti, njengoba ngicela ukusho ukuthi nothing have inspired me. So ukukhula endlini ngikhuliswa yiHoria, umama lo engisele nayo uMazitha, she's also a freedom fighter, I understand. She participated ku politics whereby le elethe change yase South Africa, because if you can reflect black izimpi zaseThokoza change the landscape of politics. Kuye kwathi makuceda ukuphela izimpi zaka 1993 then we go back kuma election. So many people abaloze impilo zabo, they had hope and they had a reason why to vote by that time. So sibe unfortunately njengoba ngisho everyone who participated had ukuthi be traumatized, because when they say it's a most dangerous place in the world it means bekufa abantu every day. It's either kufe ifamily yakho or umuntu omaziyo or when uthola ku space whereby mele ubulale yangithola. So I political space may change to freedom 1994. I believe ukuthi iThokoza they shut it down because first thing bekumele bayenze they were supposed ukuthi ba provide like some psychological relief, because masikhuluma ngabantu abalimele enhloko thina si youth yaseThokoza or sabantu abasha abazalwele eThokoza we inherit yonke lento le eyenzeke kubazali bethu, you understand. So we end up nathi sizithole sikuleso struggle, sithola sesigcwele izinto eziningi la emakhanda. We don't have answers ukuthi kahle why abazali bethu bebelwa if igasi lethu lizozithola likule situation ekuyo.
Yeah, so with that experience yokukhulele lokishini eli dangerous with politics and leadership ezidonzela ngapha nangapha, because wonke umuntu une story sakhe that wants to tell, yabona. What personal qualities do you think are essential for leadership for ba ibe effective?
So for leadership, like every leader we need ukuthi ube nama values first. So as a leader khona iprogram engangena kulo ekuyi value based leadership, you understand. Asaqala ngokuba ama change leaders whereby njengomuntu okhulele eThokoza uyazi ukuthi sinokuyenza ama mistake njengabantwana, sizithole sikuma activity maybe amanye azosicompromise, sizithole phambane nomthetho, you understand. So kwayenze ukuthi ngithole one of the guys owangimentora kwaba uEmmanuel Mayema, wangifaka ku project ekuyi change leader project whereby we started to understand building value sibe ama change leaders njengoba ngisho that was back in 2017. So since ngaba I change leader 2017 yanginceda, because 2018 I've managed ukuthi ngiyekele utshwala till today angakaze ngaphuza, you understand. So ngalokho ke we prepared ukuthi siparticipate ke manje kuma programs waseGasa. So njengoba ngisho, we started an NPO sayibiza ngeHelp Elena Become a Student, because the most part whereby mawuthi ufuna ukuchange i-situation you have to go to schools, you understand, because it's where abantwana bangena babancane bafunde yonke into. So we created an organization sayibiza ngeHelp Elena Become a Student, whereby we bring career opportunities into learners within the basic education and the community in large, in strengthening them to believe in the importance of education. We emphasize constitution reading, because sometimes sisithola sesenze izinto ezi-wrong because asi-understand the constitution ye-country, understand. So the organization kuyiyo le engiyifounder yayo, I found ukuthi kumele kuyofundwa i-constitution ey'kolweni. So si-emphasize education, constitution reading, civil leadership, sports and arts and culture. So la eKuruleni from 2017 mas created that organization, siyasebenza nezikolo ezi32. Sangena school to school, sishaya door to door, sis present ukuthi thina sabantu abaso, then they adopted us. Sathi maseliqala i-project, it was 2017, 2018, 2019 we got a partnership with the city of eKuruleni through granting aids, because I think umsebenzi wethu busubonakala ukuthi uyangakuphi. Then leyo granting aid yasibeka ku spotlight. We even got the invitation yokuthi si-attend ku World Youth Summit, whereby they hosted South African Youth BRICS Association. So that World Youth Summit yasivulela iminyaka eminingi through knowledge esacabanga ukuthi kumele siyithathe sibuye sizoyishare la eGasa, because njengami kanje I participated ku committee ye United Nations Development Plan, whereby I advocacy for SDG number 4 ku equality education. So ngumfaya nje kanje ngumuntu more inspired about education, and njengoba ngisho I think most of the things ezingidrive to this space ngisho ukuthi education. Ngizokusharela nje story nyane esincane about my life. Ngafela umatric 2009 because besigcwale nje ububhujwa la enhloko, you understand. So sicela ukudlala, ngafela umatric, it was 2009, 2010, 2011. Ngiqale ukubuyela eSkela 2019. Ngahamba ngayobhala abethi my matric, kwayenzeka ukuthi ngiyamphasa khona la eThokothaba. So mangiphasa lo matric loyo ngahamba ngayo apply eUNISA, iAP score yangibhayizisa, ngabuyela eThokothaba ngayobhala futhi nga-add ngakhipha physics ne-maths, nga-add religious ne-history. Ngithola ngamphasa umatric wami. Today sikhuluma kanje ngise-University of UNISA ngishaya i-sociology, you understand, with a vision yokuthi ngeke ngigraduate up until sithole i-PhD. So into engizama ukuyisho ukuthi if singathatha i-importance of education siyifake kithi, I think nathi singa contribute better ekuchintsheni iGasa lethu, senze lezi zinto esicabanga ukuthi ziyashoda.
That is definitely 100. That's definitely 100. So looking at achievements also watholile so far, nama milestones owarechile, ngawaphi biggest challenges oye waface as a leader?
So ngeke selena le njengomuntu omnyama, we know ukuthi skin color is always a challenge for izinto ezikanje. When you start going out ufuna ama funds, uyofuna ini, skin color always affects. Thina la emakasi sihlale squad or umuntu omnyama ngiunderstand mabembize ngemonkey umlungu uyakwata azayotoyitoya, hey this is racism. That's not racism.
So what is it?
There's real racism esifacene nayo njengomuntu omnyama, uyangunderstand. Sisithola sihleli emalokishini. That's one of the strategies to racism. I-education system yethu lento engiyifunde eTisetsengu nomuntu ofunde Opelveg is not the same quality of education, you understand.
Yes.
Then kube khona laba abafunda kuma private schools because they are privileged and because ba benefitile bona ngento ze apartheid, ngama grants apartheid. So if we speak about racism, in South Africa on its own it's a racist country because they claim ukuthi we are equal, yet we are not financially equal. So ngeke mfethu noma uthanda uthi mina nawe si equal, silwile, sicedile, sivotile, iphelile lapho. If we are not financially equal, khona umehluko namaclass ngeke afane. Ibhujwayizizo iqhubekela imiddle class izoloku ifuna ukuimpress umaster, thina abahluphekile sophelela la ithokoza.
Exactly. So how do you approach decision making, especially when you are faced with difficult choices?
I believe ukuthi team ku team kahle kahle yabona kuma collective efforts. I don't think ukuthi as a leader or there's someone who is not a leader. I believe ukuthi each and everyone is a leader ku spaces sakhe, you understand. So if you take charge yaleyo nto leyo, then you have a team or you have a collective, because manje ngeke every time it's about who fire yonke decision ethathwayo ika fire. We speak about the community here. So we came with a strategy so ukuthi each and everyone esipusha nayo must be a street committee. Then after a street committee, we must be a block committee. After being a block committee, ibizwa nge-ward committee. Then we participate ke kuma political spaces whereby sikwazi ukuzithola kuma governance spaces whereby sizochintsha whatever esifila ngathi ayenzwanga right eThokoza from the start. Because ukhawula kwethu siloku sikhala ukuthi iThokoza ivalelwe ngaphandle singayenzi nix or singa occupy lezo ibase lezo sisithola manje sesibhayiziseke kakhulu.
Okay, so as a leader kwi community and also influencer kuma politics, how do you handle criticism, be it kuma peers wakho, be it kuse family, or be it kwi community or ngama opposing parties in politics? How do you handle criticism?
Uyazwana bafo, when you start uzibiza nge public servant, ne, sometimes abantu mabekhuluma ngawe, they are not gossiping, it's news, you understand. It's either fake news or it's good news. So when you start uthi wena uzoma ngaphambili or uzokhulumela abantu, you must start first not suffer from bathu baringi syndrome. Hence ngisho ukuthi you must have your collective team yakho whereby you trust, whereby ni share ama ideas. If you consult kubo, i-consultation ibalulekile ngithola. If you consult to your team, now uyayibona i-situation ukuthi njani, then you go for it. Abantu bazohlala bakhuluma leadership, njengoba ngisho there are two different types of people, khona abasevu sathane, khona abasevu uNkulunkulu. So whatever oyenzayo ngeke ijabulise wonke umuntu, you understand. You must understand ukuthi the few or those who are close to you or ikhaseli yakho, ngihlale ngenza la idinge ngesibonelo ngechess ukuthi each and everyone elifini ne uyi king when it comes to his game. You must understand ukuthi njengoba silana manje, it's your podcast, I'm your pawn, you understand. You can ask me any question, you can do anything ufuna ukuyenza, but when you find me on my platform, I'm a king, you understand. So as much as yes, you become a pawn, as much as ngihlonipha space sakho nawe mele uhlonipha space sami. So si abantu if usingayibamba ngaleyo ndlela leyo, I think kula siyibuyisela khona kubuntu, yabo, because nanoma singathi skin color siyas divide, yes, skin color siyas divide just because kwasathina sikhalele ukufana nabo labantu laba, asisiqhenye ngobuthina. So if you can read back kubantu abafana nabo Steve Biko nanani, when they teach us about black consciousness, but you put away a white person, then focus on yourself. Ukuthi ubize ngemonkey akunandaba wena, what are you doing? We understand that because we are ibona situation ye country ikuphi, i-status quo sasekhasilakho sikuphi. So what are you doing about it? Because manje ngeke uzomela ama leaders from ku comfort zone yawo asukele eParliament afly ezeThokoza azosicishela i-reach or azosilethela ugesi. So lezo zinto lezo thina ezabantu abasha baseThokoza.
Okay, so Tafaya, with ijourney oyithathile as a leader kwi community and also kwi political space, how do you ensure that wonke ama voices wama community members are heard and are represented?
Yeah, I think iphindi be follow up yale ngicede ukisho ukuthi when we started ukuthi singene in this leadership space, siqale ngokuthi si create ama street committee, because lezo zinto izinto bezingasekho emalokishini, you understand. So eKaslami nje direct we've created ama street committee. Then after ama street committee whereby participate thina, mina maweKaslami ngi street committee, ngi block committee, angizange ngibe ward committee, but I contested for ubu councillor candidate such, you understand. So into samuyisho ukuthi we must not leave these spaces open, because if we don't participate kule spaces, wicked people kulaba ngena khona, then kusasa nizothi hayi politics ingcolile or ama leaders angcolile. No, it's because abantu aba right or aba relevant or aba affected by a situation, but bona they don't participate kulezo spaces there, so you understand. So yeah, I think ihamba kuleyo ndlela.
So what do you actually believe ukuba is the role of a political leader in driving social and economic development?
Hey, when I leadership, I always argue nama politicians ukuthi mina lezi zinto nginokungakwazi ukuzihlukanisa. I believe ukuthi i-politician elizothi politics are not personal. Yisigebengu leso kahle kahle because i-politics is what judge our life. You understand? It's a policy making. So if we have ukuthi si split from i-politics to i-social life, angikwazi ukuyihlukanisa because kwayona i-politics i-capture i-social space yethu inawo wonke ama-department, khona i-department of sports, khona i-department of what. So mina kimi whatever engiyenzayo ngiyenza as ufire. You understand us? Yes. So into engibelieve ukuthi inga-affect abantu mawuzothanda umuntu ungathandi organization ukudlula umuntu. You understand us? So when we assist someone asimenzeli ukuthi sishayine or ukuthi political party dume. No, when you're helping a person you are doing it for ubuwena. You understand? So ukuphendula le question oyibuzayo wena leadership ngizama ukuthi when you start ukuthi uyi community developer or you participate kuma political spaces yekela ukumela ama rewards because yiyo lento le eyenza ukuthi ama politicians wethu manje azithole sebeluze i concept umuntu ungena ku politics ngenxa yenhlupheko yakhe but uthi make touch up ku political space abona imali yomphakathi abone ngathi seyifanele yena ayi-one. You understand? So we need to go back ke sizibuza ukuthi kahle why ngikule space lesi, what is socialism, what is communism, what is capitalism. Then as a human being kula wena mele uzikhethele khona knowing ukuthi mawuncede umuntu akukho umuntu okumele akushayele izandla. Uncede umuntu ukuthi umuntu ubona as a politician or ubona as a socialist or ubona as a community leader lokho kwakho wena okwakho ukuthi uphile nje as umuntu olungile. Khona into bengihlale ngiargue ukuthi there's a difference between good and right. As a human being we must always do right because sometimes something is good for you but it's not right. Njengamanje ngingathatha le phone yakho ngiyise ka Sneemani ngithenga into zami. You understand? That thing is good for me now but it's not right. Okay. So if we ela back kulento bengisho ukuthi if we can understand the constitution, so if we understand the constitution yase South Africa ibekela udakhi phansi but ngeke siyichinje as long singakayi understand. You understand? So if usifuna ukukhuluma ngama social changes ngama economical changes it goes back ukuthi thina siyazazi na uyayazi the constitution okuyo na because manje kufana nokuthi uhleli e-countryini awazi umthetho wakhona so you are bound to be against social.
Yeah, you know, and I've heard during iskhathi sama elections when people were voting most when I was asking ukuthi bavotela wapha ama parties and why and stuff, everyone was talking about the constitution. Yeah. And yet no one had a deeper understanding of the constitution other than that uhulumende unikeza abantu umsebenzi between 18 and maybe 35. So that was the only argument abantu bebesiza nayo kwi constitution. I was like, man, there's more that we could argue phayana kwinto constitution. But then looking at indlela that things are ran in the community zibezi influenced nazi politics, how do you then balance political interest with needs zabantu?
Okay, I believe ukuthi needs zabantu like the first into ekuyi priority ekumele si prioritize manje is land. Okay. Because nanoma singathi si check is agriculture or si checka makhulunywa ngama means of productions. First is land, is capital, is transportation, then it's labor. We understand ukuthi land, without land brocade we are lying to each other. Yile ngibuyisela back ukuthi umuntu omnyama uyakwata mabethi imanki but akekho angry enough for land. Njenga namhlanje siyakhuluma siku podcast, I'm 34 years old. Masiqeda le podcast sicela ukuvala lezi zinto, I'm going back endlini ngisahlala ekhaya ngihlala nomama. We are sharing the same bathroom. You understand? So how can we have dignity umuntu omnyama usashare a private space nomzali wakho nomntanami futhi uhlala khona lapha endlini? You understand? So sigeza ebhavini eliyi1. So when we speak about indaba ye land wena leadership, I think that issue is very sensitive and akumelanga siloku siziba because before sizozibona siyabantu we need land. Our dignity is based on land. So ukuthi sibalance njengoba bengisho ukuthi mina sometimes I don't believe ukuthi lezi zinto we can separate it. Uyasho Karl Marx ukuthi kuma dialective which we must balance the forces. Yes, but how do we balance the forces? Because njengoba silana it's a community yaseThokoza.
Yes.
It's a community. Community is a word from a Greek word about common unity. We understand that. So when we speak about common unity, it means sonke sila eThokoza financially siku space C1. If when about better maybe financially so shaya ngabo ma 4 million, you would move out to a Bregenest and meet a new community. You understand? Okay. So njengoba sila si same community, into eyoqala kumele siyenze mele siyeke ucabanga ukuthi khona ongcono kunomunye. Mele sibuyise the spirit so ubuntu. You understand? Whereby MK wenzani mfethu, mina ngishaya ama podcast fire wenzani we sizalana uzongithengisela iproduct lami. You understand?
Yes.
So ngeke ngiyele nale wena mfethu for us for umuntu omnyama to be balanced ngeke ngithi in the community or kuphi. I believe there are two communities here. There's a white community, there's a black community. So if you want that balance okhuluma ngayo, I think each and every black person must be equal to a white person. So equality izoqala ku financial, you understand, economical. So the first base economically is the land. Looking back ukuthi bona bayithole kanjani that land. Yangithola if bebeyithole maybe ngendlela ezi right it would be fine. So they must give us our land, then sikale senze ama means of production. Sikale sibuyise idignity yomuntu omnyama emntwini omnyama. Then we can start talking about ibalance whereby kune MK kune SABC whereby they are in the same standard. But ngeke sifike lapho singena land.
And looking back, I think early this year, if not up to this day, Trump had a problem ngendaba yama whites plus ne land. What is your take on that? What's your response?
Uyabona bo Trump wena leadership abantu abadakiwe and badakwe ukuba rich. Trump ngeke sithi uyayazi inhlupheko lesibhekene nayo. uTrump akashare ibhavu noma makhe and akaze ashare ibhavu noma makhe.
Has he ever been to South Africa?
Angimazi nokumazi into engizama ukisho wena leadership ukuthi nale land policy le akakabi ile land policy esifunayo fair for umuntu omnyama because late just land expropriation. Thina masikhuluma nge-land expropriation, sikhuluma nge-land expropriation without compensation whereby masithatha iland asiyibhadali. So lena isafihliwe nina ngicabanga ukuthi baxabena bo Trump nobo Ramaphosa kanti it's just an act again.
Yes.
Because njengoba sisho yona ithi land expropriation, so if you want this land uyayithenga. So ayichinchanga kulento beyisho from before. So it's just those political stance whereby bazamo njengoba Elon Musk balokubasho ukuthi abo Malema they are the number one enemy. So it's just an attack or ukuthusa nje umuntu omnyama. So manje uyivalile i-aid yama US aid. So ubonisa ukuthi this thing is not inhuman. Ungayivala kanjani imithi just because wena akwaka engage straight nama leaders wakho.
So basically you mean to tell me that lendaba yokuvalwa kwama ARVs nani like illegit?
Angithi ibuyela back kulento engiyishilo wena leadership ukuthi lana impi is between uSathane noNkulunkulu. So if there's a rumor or amapilisi avaliwe, how can you stop umuntu ukuthi athola ama ARVs just because wena uphikisana nomunye? So mina when I define socialism ne capitalism, I usually say socialism uNkulunkulu, capitalism uSathane. So magenzeka izinto ezinjalo abo Trump bayenza lezo statement, game is not a surprise. As net I could imagine kumuntu osabeliever ukuyenza ipartnership no Trump.
Okay. So with all that being said, what are the key policies or changes that you are currently advocating for?
Okay, mina as a human being kahle ngizibona vele senguma politics nani njengoba bengishilo, my key responsibility or my key point iku education. I believe ukuthi education system yasemzansi or realize South Africa it's an element eyenzwe ukuthi umuntu angazazi ukuthi ubani, you understand. So if awuzazi ukuthi ubani si end up sonke asizazi, so it means South Africa akusesena country, you understand, because wonke umuntu ola akazazi. For example ubheke mazithi weekend wena leadership phezulu kwalama social challenges esibhekene nawo, you understand. Most of us sinabantwana different, baby mama akazwani no baby daddy, baby mama akazwani no baby daddy, then labo bantwana bayakhula, you understand. So bakhula bafunda izinto ezi different, so we are still raising a broken society. Mawuthi uyabheka asithatha ama responsibilities kokdu siloku sithi si youth, ngishilo ukuthi ngina 34 ngisahlala endlini, but mazithi weekend I'll be the first one oseTikos. Besides kusekasilamu, you understand. Mabe ngibuza ukuthi ufuna neTikos, ngithi ngizosijabulisa, ngizodla ubusha bami. Udla buphi ubusha bakho uhlupheka? Like ubuphi lobusha obudlayo, because now ubusha bethu yilo bekumele kube subspanisa, because kusazophela kwasale energy nyana esinayo. So if uthina asizazi wena leadership, in which I believe ukuthi asizazi, and bekumele sifundiswe leyo nto from esikolweni, yabo. Ufundile esikolweni, wasiceda isikolo, wabona igap ye kuyinto esharp, wathola isipane efemini, uhleli, then what? Uyazazi uenjoy impilo yakho emhlabeni. So we need to understand ukuthi njengoba silana sonke siyithunywa kahle kahle, we came for a purpose. So ukuze understand ukuthi wena ubani, ukuphi and uyapi, what's your purpose. I think izophendula nale question ukuthi abantu mabe criticize uzocabanga ini. If you have a goal, so each and everyone must have a goal. Lento besingasithathi serious eclassini le LO, mele sibe nama short term goal, nama mid term goal, nama long term goals. Then each and every day we visit our goals, siba nama diary whereby sesiyazithola ukuthi who are you, uthandani, udla malini a day, ufisani, then you go straight for a goal lakho, yabo.
Okay, so with everything that you have learned, you have understood leadership as a whole, including community kunye politics. How do you mentor and inspire the next generation of ama leaders, especially around the community yakho?
Yeah, njengoba bengishilo wena bhuti wami, the organization engayivula it's help Elena become a student, whereby whatever esitholayo sibuyisela back to the organization. So kuyimi nje kanje ngenzwe ama mentors wami, yabo. Bese siphumile endleleni, I will never lie, bese siphumile endleleni, but there were people abaye bazipha isikhathi basibuyise basitshela ukuthi no bafethu, if nizoqhubeka ngalendlela lena nani nizofana nabanye abobhuti benu, or nani nizofana nabanye abangani benu abasemajele. So the organization on its own, it's help Elena become a student, whereby we go each and every school, sibe si participate kuzinto ezifana nabo arts and culture. We have ama programs, so we have a calendar. From March we teach ama leadership skills. Sisebenzisana ne organization ekuyi-KI leadership ekuyase Scotland, ran by Uyan Robert. Uyan Robert is my role model. So ku help Elena sithi identify a role model, someone ofuna ukufana naye. Then thina si organization we gonna go straight to him, simtshela ukuthi mfethu khona umntwana oku-identifyile as his role model, so sicela umassiste ube yimentor yakhe. So again njengoba ngishilo ukuthi ngize ngangena nase-UNISA, so sithe masifika e-UNISA sa approacha i-leadership yakhona, i-LRC yakhona, sibonge kubhuti Mthokozisi oyi-deputy secretary ne-leadership as a collective, because baye basimamela kahle. So last year i-UNISA iye creator i-program ekuyi-quality assurance, in which ngiye ngaparticipate kulelo program, even I'm an ambassador. So ngithatha leyo information yase-UNISA sibuye sizoyishare elokishini. Njengamanje we assisted more than 20 learners ukuthi ba-register e-UNISA, you understand. Kumanje singasho ukuthi njengoba seqaliwe we've got 20 learners abangenile e-UNISA, you understand, because into ebalulekile enokusibhayizisa when it comes to education engiyibonile through my experience. Njengoba ngisho ngithi ngafela umatric 2009, ngabhala 2019, ngazama uku-apply bangitshela ngama AP score, into eziningi angizange understand, ngabuyela back emuva. So into esi-understandile ukuthi umuntu omnyama hayi ukuthi akafuni ukufunda or hayi ukuthi akakhona ukufunda, inkinga ama challenges, and ama challenges wakhona i-system wavale ku-admin. Yangithola kunzima ukuthi si register or sibhalise ukuthi singene phakathi. So immediately ubhalisa ungena phakathi. Isikolo mfethu you cannot believe silula for umuntu ophume ofele umatric 2009 wabhale abethi 2019 then ngabuyela eUNISA last year ngishaye 5 distinctions out of 10. You understand? Yeah. So into engizama ukisho ukuthi isikolo kuyiso silula. Into enzima iadministration ukuthi ungena kanjani iNFSAS ubhadala abani nini. So le nto le yamfrustrate umuntu omnyama aze angale. Whereby lo muntu omunye we-skin color lesi uhleli lapha kubo une wifi une assistant une tutor unayo yonke into because uyakhona ukubhadala. So uzithola yena a benefit. So into esizama ukuyivala ukuthi umuntu omnyama masingathatha le education space sibuyise emntwini omnyama. Not this education abalokhu bakhuluma ngayo. We are speaking about the decolonialized education whereby umuntu ufunda into ayithandayo, you understand. We speak about the consciousness based education. Ungafundi imaths whereby awuyazi ukuthi wena kusasa uzoyisebenzisa kuphi. Ungafundi science kanti wena wazi ukuthi uzoyisebenzisa kuphi. While umntwana womlungu usuka eBregenest or usuka eBrainton ufunda idancing makefika eVets uthi iconography khona abafunda idancing khona abafunda imedia khona abafunda ini but thina abantwana bethu sifuna amabefika lapha abafunda bo engineering bazosebenzela bani.
Exactly. And because kufana nakuleyo engineering kunye ne-science you'd find ukuthi most companies ezikhona eMzansi they prefer taking abo Mohammed nani kula ma careers we engineering ne science. They prefer taking those people because kwangama pass rates wethu eMzansi like
kumele understand ukuthi uyabona kuwo wonke ama race akhona emhlabeni umuntu omnyama is the most hated. Like mawuhlangana namanye ama race wonke ayakunyanya wena, you understand, like yo umuntu omnyama yo ngizosebenza nomuntu omnyama yo ngizofunda nomuntu omnyama. So thina uthando silithola from us immediately si touch base to other communities siphuma seyinama conditions, you understand. Manje ungafika manje e-restaurant ihlale sidle nabajida bakho babonga mlaba i5 oqala uzoqala athi akayiboni ifoni yakhe, who's the suspect? And nathi leyo nto leyo siyiphazisile sithe a black man is always a suspect. Leyo nto leyo ke that's racism. That's racism. How can a black man always be a suspect? Ukuthi uyazi ukuthi ungamla itsotsi kanjani. This person utshontshe umhlaba bra thina wasihlalise ehlathi yini lemizi yethu. Like mawungena kini like it's a 2-bedroom, I toilet, I sink. Then lapho nihlala ni 7. 2-bedroom nihlala ni 7. What about your privacy? Ufuna ukumeditate, ufuna ukuthandaza ngena umuntu. So uyayithola masikhuluma nge-real racism. Hayi lento sikwatela. When we speak about real racism, we speak about the decolonialized education, we speak about land, we speak about economic strategy positions like bank. We need to own the banks. If us own bank, who's owning the bank? So yeah.
No, kuyavakala Tafai. And also looking at indlela that you are summarizing yonke le process lena kunye angazi ngifuna ukuyibeka kanjani ne, but then what advice would you give to a young person aspiring to take on leadership roles, more especially upper community yethu yabona, given that we have got a disadvantaged background in terms of politics now there's a young person who's saying, you know what, I want in kulentama politics, but then because of all the things that I have been told, I have been taught, that I've been experiencing ziyanvalela ngoku, what advice would you give abantu abanjalo?
I think when a leadership, to be a leader, you must be the change that you want to see. You must be drawn to leadership by that thing. If ubona kukhona into wrong, if lento le ayihlelanga kahle la, it's your responsibility ukuyichiftisa ukuyibeka ihlale kahle, because uwe oyibonile ukuthi ayihlelanga kahle, you understand. So i-advice engizoyipha bona abafethu especially abancane ukuthi asenzeni izinto, asekeleni ukukhuluma, asekeleni ukucabanga. Let's be doers now. Sesicabangile, it's enough. Sesikhulumile, it's enough. Let's start doing. If ukhalele ukuyenza something, do it. If ubathi kune meeting into esingayithathi serious, if there's a meeting, any kind of a meeting, you must go to the meeting. You understand? Because a meeting is where people share ideas, it's where projects are adopted. So if I were a meeting in, uzozwa ngabantu ukuthi kusasa kuyenzakalani lapho. So as a young person ofuna ukuthi kube notshintsho, asizameni ukuthi si occupy leso space. Yithi ama street committee, yithi ama ward committee, yithi ama councillor, yithi ama mayor, yithi ama president, because when you speak about each generational mission, now it's our time. And there will be no other time. If ungakhumbula phela abazali bethu njengoba bengiyibekile eqala, istruggle soqala it was a political struggle, I understand. So abazali bethu balwile singabanyathi. So they brought change politically. So thina as our generation, because sesiphethe political freedom siyenzani ngayo because siyahlupheka. So it's ours to go fight for economical freedom. Then so thina athi masiqeda ukuyiceda lapho, the next generation izoza neyayo nayo into efuna ukuyi-achieve. But our generation, our mission now is economical freedom. Ayile nali angali, maybe we can differ ngama political parties, but the generational mission now is economical freedom. Siyahlupheka bra, and we cannot shy away from that. We are humble uyofuna sponsorship njengoba ngisho ngeke usithole because of his skin color. You understand? Ngeke ngasebenza efemini, ngiyibhola maker by the way by profession. Ngasebenza efemini, ngaqashwe 10 by efemini. Ngahamba ngathi ngiyofuna indlu yebond. Bangitshela ukuthi angiqualify, at least I must get a wife, sibe ne dual account whereby we pay so we can qualify. Salary basho kanjalo, you understand? Bathi salary ngani. Then ngahamba futhi ngayo applyele RDP. Bangitshela ukuthi no, awuqualify, uyasebenza. So we understand, ngihambile ngayo applyele ngapha bathi angiqualify, ngayo applyela le kamasipala bathi angiqualify. So it means mina ukuthi ngifele endlini or else ngithathe umfazi. Mangithatha umfazi siyaqhubha nomfazi for the next 5 years. Siloku sibhadala ibond kuyenza ukuthi siyaxabana nomfazi siyahlukana, indlu yadliwa, mele ngibuyele back endlini. So even if umfazi wakho akekho right for the next 20 years, even if ungalala ungambona lele namajita engakhi, you don't have a right yokuphuma because uphuma nebond.
Yeah.
Yeah, understand?
Yeah.
So ama challenges when we speak about racism, leyo nto leyo only affects umuntu omnyama. Ngeke uthole ingami affectwa yileyo nto. You know why? Because bona bafundisiwe about financial decrease. When manje bank icard lakho lase bank is a debit card, elengami is a credit card. So bona whatever bayenzayo they live on credit. Ngapha wena ufundiswe ukuthi awusifuni isikoloto awenzi next ngesikoloto. So ungamla whatever yenza it's about insurance. Banama life policies, banama life covers. Yonke into yabo is insured. Yet thina yonke into yethu asifuni isikoloto. So when you speak about i-debit card, mawufake i-100 rand ngeke ukhiphe 100 rand. Uzokhipha i-97 rand.
Exactly.
Mara when you speak about i-credit card, mawufake i-100 rand, i-system ikufakela 100 rand on top.
Okay.
Uzobabhadala mawusonemali ngale date. Uyanderstand ukuthi i-advantage yabo ikuphi. So umuntu wena uyakwazi ukuthi at the age of 18 athi yena selefuna indlu. Wena at the age of 18 mawungathi ufuna indlu, namanje ngifuna indlu ngizoyithola phi?
Exactly.
Like malini indlu 500,000 like jeez.
Yeah.
The cheapest.
Yeah. So see approach conclusion here today. So how do you then continue to grow and evolve as a leader?
Yeah. Ukuthi sikhula kanjani na leadership. I believe ukuthi mele ufunde. Uyabona la emhlabeni each and everyone ubalulekile, ne? So for us ukuthi si enjoy impilo zethu, we need ukuthi sifunde. Wonke umuntu, you understand? Like mele ufunde, ungayenzi ngathi wazi yonke into. If you learn, you get a wisdom from MK. You learn, you get a wisdom from Ulanga. You learn, you get a wisdom from Ubani. Then when as a human being, the shape as a human being, then we need ukuthi see black child isingene kule space sokufunda. We need to read as many books as we can, you understand that? Because after reading uba ne understanding, nanoma soyoyishare leyo knowledge, nanoma uzama ukuyi-apply leyo knowledge can change someone's life. So if a black person can dedicate himself ukuthi each and every day assist one black family a day, I think singaze sifike la siyakhona, because even though labantu laba bangasithandi wena Brocade, like njengoba ngisho all the races bayasinyanya, we are the poor of the poorest, but there's something unique esinayo and it's only us abanayo. kulama community abathi sihlala kuwo sinobuntu understand wena njengawe kasi lakho wazi strata sonke bona njengoba banalama million wabo bazivalele like umuntu ushaya ngebonde elingaka akazi kuyenzakalani ngapha akazi kuyenzakalani kuphi understand uvela phume ngemoto ayele ku business meeting so wena la ikasi lakho kukumanje mabe ngathi kulahleke something wazi ukuthi la khabo sifiso la khabo sabelo la khabo bani so leyo nto leyo brings back ubuntu you understand so the element ezama ukusibaleka and it createwa yibo futhi it's an element ukuthi sekhona abazibona abangcono kunabanye so we need to call a black person into order and be one person again unite black child unite akuna chance.
Okay so sigu early days or early months zaka 2025 so ngawaphi ama plans onawo Kawapi ama projects azayo that are coming that we should be looking at and what else should we expect from Uvuyisa Zitha ukusukela nje namhlanje nje going forward nje kulonyaka ka 2025 what is it that we need to expect from wena?
Okay I think wena put njengoba bisishilo manje nge27 is ka April we're going to host art exhibition. In fact, sisebenza ne5 senses ihostwa i5 senses it's an art exhibition whereby sisebenza na 75 artists wala eThokoza or in fact iKatoras kuna 75 artists esebe confirmile sizobe senze ne fashion show so we try ukuthi sibuyise iart wena bhuti wami ebantwini because the art is driven by love we understand so singamane siphikisane nani but if we can have the art even if politics banokuthi politics is about numbers politics is science but if politics were driven by art you understand we would go far we would enjoy my politics so I think it differ lapho mangithi kuno Sathani no uNkulunkulu art is God then science is devil because akusukudlala science bra we understand so I think nge27 sizobe sinelelo project then sizobe senza financial literacy whereby we organized ama small business entrepreneurs to one space sayo invite wona ama bank ukuthi eze azosifundisa about imali because yazi umuntu omnyama mawungena ebank uyathuka awazi uthuswa yini like mawungena ebank ishaya ngesinye isithunzi awukazi ushaya nange check in at Standard Bank so
ukuthi ipin yakho
you understand so we need ukuthi sibe na good relationships nama bank we must understand ukuthi ama bank akhona la 14 for us ukuthi si reach ama dreams wethu we must go there take those loans we understand and pay to our dreams mawungaya lapha ufika uthathe i loan uthenga ama mic uthenga ama laptop uthenga something so immediately MK aphumelela gonna pay back we understand so we need ama bank awethu is not an enemy asekela ukuthuka masiye bank is ours so lapho kuleyo project lelo is financial literacy elihlangane ne financial education we invited the Standard Bank in which ba smeli confirmation yabo but bajabulile ukuzosebenza nathi iGEP then besifuna ukuyo invite uMMC lapha at least we economic development or someone lapha eKuruleni azositshela ukuthi yena ugovernment wenzani so we invited 50 companies wala ikasi ukuthi labantu laba abeze bazositshela ukuthi what are their services kahle then our main project ke for every year it's amapantsula jabulile we believe ukuthi ispantsula is the only culture whereby ihlanganisa wonke umuntu omnyama umZulu umpeli umshangane nanithiz whereby abazali bethu bebesuka emakhaya bazosebenza eJozi bebefika abahlala enkomponi you understand so bakhulume esifana kalo so ukuzi entertainer they will start dancing ispantsula then kube nama competition so nanoma bafuna ukuparticipate kuma political space makuvela amabhunu wena uzobona amapantsula ajivayo kanti no it's a communication there's a message that is sent you understand so ispantsula on its own manje South Africa when you speak about ipantsula you are associated with crime or ubonakala njengomuntu oyisigebengu and something kanti no ispantsula on its own it's a culture whereby if you can embrace it sine impahla zakhona sinokudla kakhona amakota nama chips awethu by the way hayi ukudla kwasekasi understand kuno music genre ikwaito iphi kwaito today ifile is because babulele le thing yamapantsula. So we are trying ukuthi is organize amapantsula. So when I celebrate my birthday nge22 I always do a competition yamapantsula, whereby last year kuye kwaba ne competition, it was 15 groups wamapantsula. When you speak about it 5-7 per group, so ikaslonke nje beligcwele nje amapantsula, whereby we teach each other. Yeah, ngaku-invite abafo wayoshuta ibhola ne wahamba wathi uyoshuta le ngiyakhumbula umshado sorry.
That's why I was in Eastern Cape.
So each and every month ke siyahlangana namapantsula, speaks about lezi zinto ezis-affectayo, you understand ukuthi no guys, nina abafundayo you need to focus esikolweni, because if nani nizoyenza lama mistake esiwenzile sizosithola seni la sikhona kule age esikuyo. So njengoba ngishilo we emphasize I constitution ne education. So every month sisahlangana namapantsula, mhlangano wamapantsula sibe sidiscussa lezo zinto lezo. Yeah.
No ndiyabulela Tafaya for ixesha lakho that you've given us today. And babukeli nguyinkokheli ke le uVuyisa Zitha. He's a community leader and also a political activist. He's also a business person because he's also running businesses. He's also into organizations that are helping in developing the community yethu. So I would like to send a special shout out to E5 cents. Yeah, it's 5 cents. Ivenue esifumene namhlanje. I'm going to list wonke ama services abawarenderayo kuyele business lena, including ama contact details wabo. So guys, to help ukuthi nathi nisupport, cela ukuthi nize nizophuza coffee lana, nami ngizozwakala ngizophuza coffee, and it's approach ne winter bafethu. So coffee is going to be it's going to be one of izinto esizidingayo emzimbeni wethu. So ngicela ukuthi ni support bafethu, and then ningalibali ukusubscribe ku channel yethu, ni comment, and then ni share. Tafaya man tagi khutmani sure feel nyabulela pura. Okay. Sharp.